In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock Act 5 on Back 4 Blood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get and play Act 5. So for you to play Act 5, you will actually need to purchase DLC or expansions. So for you to do this, you will be able to find the expansion needed in any of the main platforms where Back 4 Blood is available. So if you are playing on PC, either through Steam or Epic, on Xbox or PlayStation, you will be able to find and acquire the expansion. So go over to your specific digital storefront and you will be able to purchase expansion 2, Children of the Worm. This is the expansion that you need to purchase if you want to play Act 5. As you can see on the description, Back 4 Blood expansion 2, Children of the Worms features a brand new campaign story, Act 5. So you will have to purchase this expansion pack. It is available on all digital storefronts, so all platforms. Now, keep in mind that not everyone who is going to be playing needs this. Only the host of the lobby needs to have the expansion. As soon as the host purchases and hosts the lobby, anyone else can join and all of you will be able to play. So only if one of your friends has this expansion, you will be able to play through Act 5 if you join their session. So they just have to be the host on the lobby, and as soon as everyone else joins, all of you will be able to play together, even if only one of you has Children of the Worm installed. So purchase it on any digital storefront, make sure that it is installed, and you will be granted access to Act 5. You also have a bunch of other stuff, so a new playable cleaner, new enemy threats, some exclusive skins, new weapons, accessories, cards, and so on. And the main thing, like I mentioned, is full access to Act 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock Act 5 Back 4 Blood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.